Bake at home banana bread. It's the most clicked recipe on the healthychef.com website, and I want to show you how simple it is to make. It's completely gluten-free, it's high in protein, it's full of heart-healthy essential fats from the olive oil, it's low in sugar, and it's just purely delicious. So you've got to make this at home. It's divine, and I'm just going to show you how simple it is. So I've got 300 grams of just banana here. They're just ripe bananas. And what I want to do, you can mash it with a fork. You can just use this to help mash it along, which is really, really good. Now in here, I'm actually adding 3 whole organic eggs. So I'm just throwing that into the mix. And we're adding in 60 ml of extra virgin olive oil. And we're also adding 60 ml of pure maple syrup. You can also use honey too, which is great. I'm stopping that system now, and I'm adding 250 grams of almond meal, and that's all you need. A little bit of ground cinnamon, 2 to 3 generous spoonfuls of gluten-free baking powder, and also a nice generous pinch of salt. Now we want to let that combine. Simple as that. This literally takes 1 minute to put together. Here we go. Now, look inside. It's beautiful, it's lovely, it's all smashed and it's full of goodness. And it's going to be very moist and delicious. Give it a bit of a mix in the bowl. And all we need to do is pour it into your favourite baking tin. And give it a bit of a flatten out. Now, we're going to decorate the banana bread like I always love to do, with a banana on the top. And best way of doing that is you get a nice peeled banana and slicing it all the way down the middle and just popping that over the top. And what's going to happen, the bananas are going to caramelize, the natural sweetness will come out, and they'll look fabulous. Now this goes into an oven, 160 degrees, for around about 45 to 50 minutes, or until it's fully cooked through. Anyway, check this out. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. It's cooked on the top. It's lovely. It's got a beautiful brown crust, and it looks spectacular. I'm going to cut it because I can't wait, and it's only just come out of the oven. It just looks too good to resist, so it's probably still a little bit hot to cut. But as you can see, there's steam coming out of there, and it looks beautiful. It's lovely and it's moist and delicious. But there you have it, my awesome, beautiful, gluten-free banana bread that's really good for you. Enjoy.